Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this video on 3-minute series, we'll be continuing our discussion on the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. In the last video, we have already discussed the provisions of Gram Sabha, membership of the Panchayats, State Election Commission, etc. In this video, we'll be discussing about some other provisions, that is powers and functions of the Panchayat at the three levels. The three levels of the Panchayat have to prepare plans for the economic development and also social justice, and also the implementation of the scheme for the economic development and social justice as may be interested to them. As we have already discussed in our first video, this 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act created 11th schedule through which it provided for 29 powers which can be taken over by the local self-government for the governance. And it is up to the state government to devolve how many powers of the 29 they want to transfer to the local self-governments. If they are willing, they can transfer all the 29 or they can transfer some of the 29 powers to the local governments. Now coming to the finances part, the state legislature may authorize a panchayat to levy, collect and appropriate taxes, duties, tolls and fees, and it also provides for making grants in aid to the panchayats from the consolidated fund of the state. That is, it is up to the state legislature to devolve any financial powers or not. Constitutionally, it is not mandated to devolve the powers, rather it is up to the discretion of the state legislature. The Act also provides for the establishment of a finance commission by the governor every 5 years. That is, the terms of reference for the finance commission are to the distribution of taxes between the state and the panchayat level, and also the determination of taxes, duties, tolls that may be assigned to the panchayats and the grants in aid to the panchayat from the consolidated fund of the state. Provision of the Central Finance Commission as per Article 280 of the Constitution has a provision where it can devolve directly the finances to the local government based on the report of the State Finance Commission. That also needs to be remembered. And regarding the audit of the accounts for the finances or the expenditure that are carried out at the local level, it is not done by the Comptroller and Auditor General. Rather, the state legislature has to provide it through the respective acts. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Devolution of the financial powers is mandatory for the state government. State Finance Commission is a constitutional body. The correct answer is B, 2 only. As we have recently discussed that the devolution of the finance powers is not a mandatory, rather a discretion for the state governments to devolve such powers or not. While the State Finance Commission is a constitutional body, as a direct provision has been provided in the Constitution for its establishment. Therefore, the correct answer is B, 2 only. Thank you.